Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price has hardly moved today, slightly upward sloping, but really just overall sideways action today. It is still not crystal clear if the B wave that we've looked at already topped yesterday or if we're going to get a larger B wave. Yeah, so either this B wave was formed in an ABC structure yesterday when it hit the 38.2 retracement level, and we're now coming down in the larger C wave of a wave 2. That's the bigger picture. Wave 1 topped on the 13th of July, and we're coming down in an A, B, C structure. And the question is here, this B wave, has that topped yesterday? Yeah. It's not crystal clear because we haven't taken the previous support levels out, but current price action makes it less likely, in my opinion, that we get a higher B wave. So the current price action would make me slightly favor that the B wave has topped. But I always need to be very careful with my word choice because it's not clear at this stage. Okay, so what I wanted to see is an impulse of the highs. I think it is impulsive. And a correction to the upside, and I think it is corrective. So from that point of view, I'm slightly leaning towards a more direct sell-off. But it all depends on the relevant pivot points here. So let's assume we are already in the C wave to the downside. We certainly haven't started the third wave yet of the C wave. So the idea is we go a little higher short term here, as it seems. And it's all about this pivot point. So the 78.6 retracement of the move to the downside, 30,240. As long as we stay below that level, it is very, very likely that it is more likely, let's say, that we go down directly in the C wave. I would then prefer that because that's currently what I prefer anyway, that we are in the C wave already. But above the 78.6 retracement, this wave 2 is going to get too strong. So if we get a sustained break above that level, I have to assume that we are still doing the B wave. Regardless, these are both part of the same scenario. So in both, it's all about, okay, do we get a shallow corrective move up or do we get a stronger corrective move up? There is currently no indication that a more substantial, lasting and important low has formed. So the idea is, okay, we might do a shallow retracement and then go down, or a bit of an aggressive one and then go down. In both cases, I would eventually look at lower. And be aware, any corrective, any move to the upside would likely only be a correction. So it would be choppy. As you can see, yeah, it's just moving up in a very slow way. And I mean, what I can imagine is that this wave 2 is still ongoing. Yeah, if we already are in the C wave and maybe we had a small A wave, this is a B wave, and it might escalate higher in the C wave because at the moment the wave 2 would be very shallow, but yesterday the B wave was also very shallow. Yeah, so but at least in a wave 2, I mean, I'd like to see the 30K level. In this case, the 50% FIB level at least to be touched. Ideally a little higher, maybe the golden ratio. Now it's still dancing around the 38.2 FIB level, as you can see. It bounced off that level yesterday as well. Here. Yeah. So it bounced off this FIB level yesterday, and it's the 38.2 FIB. So, and here again, yeah, the 38.2 FIB. So these are the levels that it seems to be reacting to at the moment. So at any point it can turn around because the move up looks corrective. Yesterday's move up looked corrective as well. It was just a little stronger. And looking at the proportions, yeah, I mean, I would be ready for a third wave drop, but just be aware of the relevant levels. If it decides to test the larger B wave area, it is all the way up to 31,350. Above that level, maybe we need to consider something different, but that's, we're not even there yet. So yeah, let's see. But overall, in both scenarios, lower prices still expected, and it's a quiet Friday today. It might become a quiet Saturday as well. The only thing I could imagine is maybe we start a third wave sell-off today. It could be a late one, I'm not sure. And then Saturday could be the wave 4. Certainly, it would be, I can't remember that we've ever had a third wave breakdown on a Saturday. Maybe not. Let's see. But you should be aware now about the relevant levels. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.